waters are on the way up. And this is East Street, well, sort of East Street, goes over the Condamine River. So all the ground's wet, so that means none of this rain's going to soak in, it's just going to wash away, which it's doing. We haven't had that much rain really, and that's what's happening. You hear that roar? This is one of the main weirs in town. Usually it's just a trickle. We've had a little bit of rain, but for a while it's just been stuck. And that's the bridge. Usually it's a good metre from the where the water is now down to where the water usually sits. Of course, you always got debris that get washed away. There's a spa bath for you. Mind you, plenty of sharp rocks down there. This is Victoria Street, downstream from those other two places we saw. And it's over. Usually does. No, I'm not going to walk out there.